Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail with Canva in 2026. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your thumbnail with Canva, how Canva can also help you generate a thumbnail. YouTube can do that as well. There are other options like vidIQ and the rest. But if you were looking for stuff as simple as this, if you're looking for thumbnails that look like this, I'm going to be showing you how to go about creating these thumbnails. So most of them are quite easy to do. So let's get into it. Your first step is, after taking some inspiration from either a channel you want to copy or a channel you want to recreate that content, all you need to do is just simply head over to Canva. So Canva is the website of interest for today. So simply head over to canva.com. It's an interesting platform and you can get a lot of things done on here. So please make sure you have an account on Canva. If you do not have an account on Canva, you can simply sign up for the Canva Pro if you're looking to spend some money for some extra quality. Otherwise, proceed with Canva free. Now, once you're on the home section, click on home. Where we have your designs, click on templates. Canva has what we call templates. Templates are basically cheat sheets that other people have created. And then you can use these cheat sheets to simply create your own content. Now, where we have search millions of templates on the search bar, just simply search for YouTube thumbnail. Simply search for YouTube thumbnail and then click on YouTube video thumbnail. It's going to generate some video thumbnails you can simply use like this. Editable thumbnails, you can just enter your text here. If you scroll through, you can edit these thumbnails. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to go about editing thumbnails like this. This is a really good design. You can replace this image with yours, and it is a Canva premium template, so you're going to need to have Canva premium. But let's just go ahead and click on it. I have access to Canva premium, and I'll simply click on customize this thumbnail. So click on customize this template and it's going to open up in a new tab. Once it's done opening up, you get to realize you can play with a lot of things on this template. Now you could simply remove the objects like this image of this man. You can move it behind the subject here. You can move it to the side. You can make it just a hand or a neck and an ear, that kind of stuff. You can even reduce its size. You can increase the size of the your viewing angles. And then if you want to reduce the size of the image, just simply drag and it should allow you to reduce the size. All right, so with that out of the way, how can you edit a thumbnail to suit your needs? It depends on what you want to do. Certain thumbnails require you to do certain kind of things. Some thumbnails do not allow a proper color change, like this thumbnail here. We have this background image, this background color. You have to identify the background color and simply, choose to change it. All right, so in order to change the background of the thumbnail you've copied, just click on it, select the background color, and the color wheel is going to pop up. Now you can simply make it a different color like this. You can scroll through and select something like red. You could leave it at yellow or orange or dark cyan. And yeah, dark cyan is good. And now you can simply drag in the properties all across so it kind of stands out. And then for some of the text, you can edit them. So you can now make it. All right, guys. So with a bit of editing, you can make it look from this to this. So we can have nail and then we can have design. And then you can simply click on this and remove some text. And it's just nail designs. So you can have the text over the character, or you could have it just beside the character. And now you have your own unique thumbnail without having to lift a finger to look for images or anything of that nature. All right, guys. So that's how you can go about designing a thumbnail for your YouTube channel. And now, in order to input this thumbnail into your YouTube channel, all you need to do is click on share at the top right corner. Once you're done designing, click on share, click on download, and your download type would come out. Simply select PNG as it's the best, or you could simply go with something like JPEG, but PNG is always recommended. And then simply click on download here, At the bottom, click on download. And now once you've downloaded it to your computer, just simply head over to your YouTube channel. So go ahead and head over to your YouTube channel. Simply click on the little pencil that's for the details. Click on the details menu and the details are going to pop up. Now, all you need to do in order to edit some of this content is simply scroll till you find thumbnail. So where we have set a thumbnail that stands out and draws viewers' attention, just click on the three dots here for the options and then click on change or include. And now you can simply click on this design you have here and then it's going to simply change it into this and it's going to look like this. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on save and everything is completed. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.